Welcome to Helical Anchors INC, your strongest helical pile manufacturer. Let us provide you the information on the advantages of underpinning. 1. Underpinning makes the foundation strong and makes sure that the foundation is safe from all sorts of calamities. 2. Underpinning will allow your structure to have better lighting fixtures. It allows you to add some more windows and doors that will allow the natural light to fall in. 3. Underpinning your basement will allow you to access all the mechanics of your home like plumbing works, insulation and wiring, therefore you can check if they require repairing. 4. If in future you plan to sell your property, then a proper structure with finished underpinning will have a higher value and you can get a good return for your structure. Would you like to know more on how we can save your money and increase the strength of your foundation? Contact Helical Anchors INC today. Or call us on 763-201-6552. Visit our website to know more: www.helicalanchorsinc.com.